Good morning, children. Sai Ram. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. So, I welcome you again with our subject EVS. Okay, so before starting something new, I am going to start with, you all are aware, I'm going to start with, before starting a new lesson, what do? We start with the new words. Remember? Yes, so let's begin with the new words. Our first word is roll. You have to repeat after me. Do you remember, or everything is gone? You remember, right? Very good, children. So our first word is roll. Repeat after me. ROLE, roll. ROLE, roll. ROLE, roll. The meaning of the words I'll tell you later. Okay. Our second word is earns. EARNS, earns. EARNS, earns. EARNS, earns. Our third word is money. You know money, right? Money. MONEY, money. MONEY, money. MONEY, money. Next word is work. WORK, work. WORK, work. WORK, work. Next word is park. This you all know, right? What is this? Park. PARK, park. PARK, park. PARK, park. Children, are you repeating after me? Yes, very good. Next word is helps. HELPS, helps. HELPS, helps. HELPS, helps. Our next word is studies. STUDIES, studies. STUDIES, studies. STUDIES, studies. Our next word is cooks. COOKS, cooks. COOKS, cooks. COOKS, cooks. Our next word is sick. SICK, sick. SICK, sick. SICK, sick. Next word, stories. STORIES, stories. STORIES, stories. STORIES, stories. Next word is another. ANOTHER, another. ANOTHER, another. ANOTHER, another. Next word is share. SHARE, share. Teacher always tell in the class you should share your pencil, you should share eraser, you should share colors with your friends, right? You know what is sharing, right? So this is the spelling of share. SHARE, share. SHARE, share. SHARE, share. Next word is care. CARE, care. C-A-R-E, care. C-A-R-E, care. Next word is many. M-A-N-Y, many. Next word is many. M-A-N-Y, many. M-A-N-Y, many. M-A-N-Y, many. Next word is some. S-O-M-E, some. S-O-M-E, some. S-O-M-E, some. Next word is things. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. Next word is cannot. C-A-N-N-O-T, cannot. C-A-N-N-O-T, cannot. Okay? You can break the word and you can learn. C-A-N-N-O-T, cannot. Next word is own. O-W-N, own. Next word is own. O-W-N, own. O-W-N, own. Next word. This though we have done so many times, right? Spatial card. Yes, remember? So, spatial. S-P-E-C-I-A-L. Spatial. S-P-E-C-I-A-L. Spatial. S-P-E-C-I-A-L. Spatial. Last word is together. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Together. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Together. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Together. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Together. So now children, we have seen 20 new words today. How many? 20 new words. So what are we going to do? We are going to learn these words and write 3 times. You do this every time, right? Very, very good if you are doing it. If you are writing it, very good. So now teacher is going to ask you few questions. Let's see who can answer. Okay, so now you are going to tell me what role does your mother play in your family. Okay? Some mother go out in the office and work. The boy has to work at home. They have to take your studies, right? So many things mother has to do. Yes or no? She also take care when you're not well, right? Right? She cooks for everyone. She takes care of everyone. There's so many different roles a mother can do, right or not, children? Yes? Okay. So now, what is your father's responsibility in the family? What your father do? Your father goes to work. Your father also play with you. Your father, some of them can also cook nicely. Your father can also take your studies. Yes, there are so many things a father has also to do at home, right? There are different responsibilities for different members in the family. Yes or no? Okay. So now, how do you and your siblings help at home? Now, what do you do, or your brother, or your sister, what you do at home to help others, to help your mommy and daddy? Do you help your mommy and daddy? Yes? If you are helping, very good. If you are not helping, start helping now. I will tell you how to help them, okay? So children, today we are going to study EVS lesson number 5. Okay, EVS lesson number 5, roles in the family. Okay children, in last lesson we studied what is family, small family, large family. There are so many members in the family. Mother, father are called parents. Then grandmother, grandfather are called grandparents, right? Uncle, auntie. Do you remember all this thing? Okay, now today I'm going to tell you what roles do everyone have in the family. So we live together as a family. Yes or no, mommy, daddy, brother, sister, you all live together as a family. Each one of us has a special role in the family, okay? We all share the work at home. We do share the work at home, right? But we do many things on our own too. What are they? What do you do by yourself? Come on, tell me. Do you clean your shoes? Do you polish your shoes when you're coming to school? Do you take care of your shoes, uniform, your handkerchief, your ID card? Or after the school you just go home, take out shirt, throw here, take out your pant and throw there. Do you do this? Yes? No? If you're not doing like this, very good. What you should do? You should take your shirt, put in the hanger and then hang it somewhere, right? You should keep your pant properly. You should keep your belt, ID card, everything properly in their place so that next day when you want to go to school, you don't have to search, right? Or you don't have to ask your mama, where is my ID card? No. Or you can keep inside your bag so that it will not get misplaced, right? So you can do things by yourself, or you can also pack your bag by yourself. Okay, you can tell your mama, show me the timetable for today. Tell your mama to tell you which books you have to take, and you have to keep your books ready in the bag. You have to pack your bag by yourself. There should be 3 pencils, sharpened pencil, there will be 3 sharpened pencil, eraser, sharpener, small scale, right? So these things you can do by yourself. Then after getting up in the morning, you can clean your bed sheet, you can fold your blanket. Yes, you can keep your pillow on the place, right? Now see in the next picture here. In this picture, mummy is cooking. Okay, mummy is cooking, and what is papa doing? Papa is getting the plates and glasses and spoons ready on the table. Yes, to help your mama. In the next picture here we can see that mama is washing utensils. Yes. So there are some things that we cannot do on our own. Like you are a small now, right? You are 6, 5, 6 or 7 years old. You are small. Can you cook by yourself? No, you cannot cook, and you should not try also cooking now. You should try after 15 years, not now, 15, 18 years. Okay? You are very small, you cannot cook. So who will cook for you? Your grandmother can cook for you, your auntie can cook for you, and your mother can cook for you. Right? Or your father can also cook. But you cannot do that. Can your mother and father come to school for studies in your place? No, right? Same way, everyone has their own things to do. Someone in the family helps us with these things. Some of them are... What is this? What are mommy and daddy doing here? Father and mother cook food for the family. Father can also cook in the family and mother can also cook in the family. In some of the family, both of them cook together. In some family, sometimes mother is cooking and sometimes father is cooking. It is not necessary only mother cook the food. Father can also cook the food. Okay, for the family. Now here you can see father is also working and mother is also working. So father earns money for the family. Even mother goes to work to earn money. Nowadays, most of the mother also go out and earn money and help father. And also father also helps mama at home. Clear? Mother and father both can go outside to work and earn money. Okay? Now here, parents play with us in the park. Your mummy also play in the park with you and your daddy is also playing in a park with you. Right? So parents play in the park, right, with you. Now here, mama is taking studies and in the other picture, father is taking the studies. So, either mother or father helps us in our studies. Okay, if mama is busy, father can take your studies, and if father is busy, mama can take your studies. Right? Anyone can help you at that time. Oh, the boy is sick here. And see here in the picture, mama is giving medicine and water. Oh, so here mother take care of us when we are sick, right? Most of the time mother take care us when we are sick. In fact, mother take care of everyone who are sick in the family. Yes or no? Yes, na? Now here there is a grandmother and in the other picture there is a grandfather. So grandparents tells us stories. Now here the role of the grandparents is they tell you the stories. Okay. So everyone should help and love one another in a family. Okay. So in this lesson we studied that everyone is having different role. Mama is cooking, sometimes father is also cooking. They both go out to earn money. Grandparent tells you stories. Mama take care of you when you are sick. Mama and papa both play with you in the garden or at home. So everyone stay together and love the family very much, right? Now I'm going to tell you something, okay? So did you know that some fathers can cook as well as mothers? Were you aware? Father can also cook like a mother, very nice tasty food. Not all fathers, but some fathers can surely cook well. And you know that some of the best known cooks are men. When you go to the hotels and restaurants, there are most of the men who are cooking. So men can actually cook very well. This doesn't mean that mama can't cook well. Mama also cooks very nice and daddy can also cook nicely. So in every family, there are different things. In some family, father can cook and some family, father can't cook. Next, let's quickly recall what we have studied. We live together as a family. Each one in a family has a special role to play. We all share the work at home. We all share the work at home. Yes. So, how was this lesson? Did you understand? It's very easy and very small lesson, right? And very easy new words also we have learned. So, what are you going to do now? You have to study that new words. Yes? Come on, start writing 3 times and learn by heart and show it to your mummy. Okay? So, we will again meet with a new lesson next week. Yes? Till then, take care. Bye, children.